快啊，OK，聊得好，OK，這是佢哋
我一路錄緊。
Good evening, ABC News Report. I am reporter Chen. Today, rockstar Benjamin proposed to his girlfriend Teresa after went on a date for 20 years. Reporter XXX has more. Teresa, the sexiest model on earth, has just agreed to marry rockstar Benjamin. Let's go back to the proposing scene.
Ooh, Benjamin, where are you taking me to? I have a lot of meetings in the afternoon and I haven't go shopping today. Ooh, what a disaster. It's already 1 p.m. Please let me go.
Teresa, honey, be patient. We are almost there. Oh, here it is. Teresa, you are the prettiest girl in the world, as shine as the stars on the sky, as lovely as a rose. I know you are the only one I want to share the rest of my life with. I love you as much as I love myself. I can't live without you. Please marry me.
Ooh, yes, I agree.
Turn it on again. It's off. Oh, it's the lead.
So we hope that they can be happily forever, and congratulations to the T&B.